Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Experian membership free score updates step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.experian.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, provide your email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the specified field. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, you will need to provide your address details. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code. After filling in your address, click on Continue. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to answer security questions as needed. Once verification is complete, click on Continue. You will be presented with the membership options available. Select the plan that includes free score updates. Review the plan details thoroughly before proceeding. Click on Sign Up to finalize your membership selection. You may be asked to provide payment information, even if free. Enter your credit or debit card details if required. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Once you agree, check the box to accept. Finally, click on Submit to complete your registration. After registration, log into your Experian account. Navigate to the dashboard to find your credit score updates. You will receive notifications regarding your score updates via email. Check your Experian account regularly for the latest updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.